What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit impulsive because it is currently 12:26 in the morning and I decided that I wanted a full set. So that's what we're about to do. I think I'm going to turn this into like a maintenance vlog or like pamper routine, something like that, because I already did my toes. I gave myself a little black pedicure, so my toes are already done. So I'm gonna do my nails black also. I think I'm gonna change my hair tomorrow and then do my nails tonight. So like, it's gonna come together. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so as y'all can see, I have everything laid out that I need to do my nails. So I already put my tips on. They kind of look a little crazy because I didn't have all the right sizes, so I had to cut some of them down. And I shaped them off camera and everything, but I'm gonna reshape them once I lay the acrylic. But I have my acrylic powder here, I have my monomer, I have my nail primer, and then I have my two polishes, the black color that I'm going to be using, and then my clear coat to go on top. I have my nail file, my little dusty thingy, and then of course my electric file. I also have my UV light off camera. And wish me luck, guys. It's been a while since I did my own nails, but we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so I just finished using my drill. I did most of it off camera because I just felt like it started getting a little bit repetitive. But now I'm about to go in with my my regular nail file. So I mean, I don't really need to touch up too much, but some of the spots I hit with the drill and it kind of like made it curvy, so I just want to straighten it out. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. Okay, and now, ooh. And now I'm about to knock everything over. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my primer. This is really simple, so I'm just gonna put this on like nail polish. Girl, you got it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my acrylic. So I'm gonna try and turn the camera around so y'all can get a better view, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Down in Alabama with its vicious racists, with its governor having his... This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please.
Okay, so I finished my application. It's looking a little messy, but as always, I can clean it up with a drill. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry and then go in with my file again just to shape everything back up.
So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Break it down. Yes, sir. Okay. We used to lay up and then stay up, had to then blow. I shouldn't play no games with you, just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you, we ain't speak. That was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do. Man, it's true. Exes change, yeah. Hey, guess you changed for the better. Better. I know you know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo. But I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me.
It's pretty late now, but I got my nails done. I'm happy. I think tomorrow I'm either gonna style this wig or color it, because I think I mentioned in my last video that I was gonna possibly make this pink. So I think we might make this pink tomorrow. We'll see. Like I said, it's late tonight, so I'm gonna go to bed. I got my nails done, my toes done, And yeah, I'll just check back in tomorrow and we'll see what happens.
The next day.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. I'm currently about to go to the hair store now so I can get the pink hair dye. The blonde was cute, but like 613 is just like, so, oh, by the way, sorry, I'm getting myself distracted already, but these are my nails. You know, I had to show them off again because done by yours truly. So yeah, I will talk to y'all when I get back. Okay, y'all, so I went to the hair store and got some hair dye. Unfortunately, they did not have the color that I needed. I needed like a light pink, but I figured if I got a dark pink and just used a little bit, put more water, it should work out, okay? So I'm just gonna cross my fingers and hope everything works out. So I have my bin here. I'm gonna be doing the watercolor method. I don't know if I told y'all that already, but I'm going to be doing the watercolor method. I went ahead and took off my wig, so the water is done boiling. I'm gonna start pouring it, put in the dye, do a test run, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so it looks like my little method worked, like using a lot of water and then only a little bit of dye, because as you can see, if I would have used like the regular amount when you watercolor, this would have been like hot pink, and that's just not what I wanted. So as you can see, we have the wig sitting in here. This is the color. This is perfect because I wanted a light pink just like that. So this was actually my reference picture. This is the color pink that I was going for, so I think we're doing a pretty good job, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like. I can't really show y'all right now. I'm just about to rinse it out now. I'm gonna do that off camera and then I'll be back to install it. I just wanted to show y'all the color, what it's looking like so far.
Kilo fait on m'a tête chocolat, fine fine oh baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more than, your body chocolate, but she ready yeah imade, double dose le kilo fait, why now my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy baby, and you want gon' give me control, even want to get already, I'ma make up my you, I'ma need that can you, I go my you, I'ma need that can you, do maybe, I don't money days, do maybe don't go carry belly, do maybe, let one of me see yeah, come see yeah, baby.
So you guys, this is how my hair turned out. I absolutely love it. This is my favorite color. You know, my favorite color is pink, so why not do it? Like, why are you being scary for? But I think this came out so cute. I tried to add some layers, but I definitely failed, so I'm gonna have to fix that another time because I just got tired. I don't know if y'all could tell, like I was trying to cut it, make it look cute, do some layers, and it just came out uneven. So at least we can say we tried, you know? But I just wanted to come on here and give you guys the final result because that would be ghetto of me to just, you know, end the video and not show y'all what it looked like. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This concludes everything, my little mini transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed this little spur of the moment. I mean, this was so spontaneous and out the blue, but as always, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.